Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. In this video, we will see how to add text behind object. Let's see how you can use it in Adobe Premiere Pro. Select Type Tool and type text. And go to the Graphic Essential window and adjust the text. Then extend the text layer to match the video layer. Duplicate your video above the text layer. After that, go to Effect Panel and type Color Key and drag it on top video layer. Then go to Effect Control and scroll for Color Key. Then select Dropper Tool and go over and pick the area behind of object. Finally, adjust the color tolerance. Please note, this effect will only work if foreground color is different than your background. Here we go. I hope you like this one. If you like this one, give thumbs up and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.